How to reset Authenticator app 2FA for clients and team members. When team members or clients lose access to their Authenticator app, they can't complete two-factor authentication to sign in. You can reset their Authenticator app settings, allowing them to regain access to TaxDome. Once reset, they'll verify using email codes on their next sign-in. If your firm requires two-factor authentication via Authenticator app, they'll be prompted to set up their Authenticator app again. For team members, go to the Team and Plans page and select the Team Members tab. Find the team member who needs help, select the Options menu next to their name, then select Reset Two-Factor Authentication and confirm. For clients, open the client's account, go to the Info tab and find the Contacts section. Select the Options menu next to the contact's email, then select Reset Two-Factor Authentication and confirm. They can now sign in using email verification and reconfigure their Authenticator app if required.